Welcome back to the video series on online classes made classic, prepared by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Mathematics, Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Tips to make online classes effective is discussed at this video series. Options at freely available medium for online classes are mainly discussed. Points discussed here are only suggestive. My dear learned colleagues can browse. They can explore their own innovative ideas to make their online classes effective. Continuously, we are discussing how to make interactive worksheets using liveworksheets.com. In this video, you will learn how to create join with arrows exercise. Normally, we call it as match the following exercise or matching exercise, and how to share the interactive worksheets with students. Normally, we will give the items to be matched in column A and column B. We will ask the children to join them by lines or join them with arrows. We have also already discussed MCQ, drag and drop, and fill in the blanks using liveworksheets.com in our previous videos. The links of those videos are given in the description box below this video. What you have to do? Prepare worksheets with questions with sufficient gaps between the items to be matched. That is in column A in the left side and column B on the right hand side. Give some sufficient gaps and save the worksheets as PDF. Suppose if you are planning to have some figures, some images, and if you feel that doing in MS Word is not comfortable for you, you can use PowerPoint presentation. In a slide, you make all these match items and convert it into a PDF. Let me show you what I have done. I have taken one match the animals with their names. Interesting one for the children. In the left side, I have made some animal photos. On the right side, I have typed their names shuffled. Well, let us now try to go for uploading the worksheet now. Go to liveworksheets.com, log in, go to make interactive worksheets, click get started and choose the file. My file is over here and I am opening it and I am uploading it. It has got uploaded now. You can make it attractive by having background and all. Okay, well, now the child has to join with arrows. How to do it? I am giving you the way to do it now. To make interactive matching exercise questions, make box around the items to be matched with arrows and type join full colon number. For example, join full colon 1, join full colon 2, join full colon 3. Now, the same number to be used for items to be matched with arrows. The idea is, if you type join full colon 1 in the left side, the item to be matched with that on the column B should also be typed join 1. Similarly, join 2 on the right hand side, once again join 2 to that item which to be matched with that. Let us go for it now. I am taking it now. Now remember, wherever you are putting the box, a pen is going to come, a pen or pencil, whatever you can call. Therefore, better you cover the whole picture. Okay, then only a child will come and put the pen anywhere in that photo, then he will get that pen to do it. Let me type join 1, join full colon 1. Well, good. Now I will take this tiger. Let me type here as join. Either it may be capital letter or small letter. It is left to you. Now let me take the whole zebra. Okay. I think to delete it, you click over here. The color will change and you can delete it also. I want to show that also to you. Zebra totally I have taken because the child will have the habit of putting the cursor at any spot. For him, the total pen should be coming for his rescue. Okay. I will type over here join 4. Now I remember now that zebra is in 3, therefore I will totally box it, click it, and then click join 3. Now the line is in number 4, therefore I will do it, click it, join JOIN. Okay, 4. I think my elephant is in join 1, therefore I will type join 1. Well, now come back, my tiger is in 2, therefore box it, and then let me type join 2. Well, now I think you can preview it, and I will save it directly. I am saving it. As you know that you can save it as want to share with teachers, but there is a warning below that. Okay, I want to save it as a private one. Let me give the name to it, match the animals, match animals. Okay, I'm saving it. Good. Let me open the worksheet. Now you know that this is a link. This link you can save it with the children. Okay, I'm opening the worksheet now. You can add it to your workbook, or you can add it to Google Classroom, and you can copy it, and you can share it through WhatsApp also. You know it. Okay, now you see, as I have totally covered this elephant, wherever I put the cursor, you see the totally I am getting this pen. Therefore, be careful with that, so that the child will be comfortable to do it. Otherwise, you will be searching here and there. Therefore, make the box totally. For example, elephant is here. Therefore, I'm just coming and putting it over here. And then this is a tiger, and this is zebra, and this is my line. Well, I am finishing it. Okay, I think this actually I have already told you. A child can email the answer to you. He can email it either to your key code or your email ID directly, or you can check the answer also. If you want the checker answer, it is 10 out of 10. Okay, now what you can do now, you see, you can see your worksheets also. Whatever the worksheets you have made, the worksheets will be done here as shared and private. Now if you click the private, now whatever I have made, you see the line 1 I have already made 2 times, and types of triangle 2 or 3 times I have made. But this one has come now. Now you can click it, and you know that how to share it with the children. Is it okay now? Now you can add it to your workbook, you can add it to your Google Classroom, and you can edit it, you can remove it, you can copy it, you can custom the link, or share it through the WhatsApp. For whenever you are just giving it, the child will be happy to do it. This is match the following worksheet. Thank you, friends. The next type of worksheet will be discussed in the next video. Bye.